Hey there everybody, and welcome to another video by Garage Door Guidance. In today's video, I just wanted to cover how to remove the tension on your garage door spring without unscrewing anything. This can also work on a two-car garage that's got 1 or 2 springs. Keep in mind, on a 2-car garage, it's going to be a much stronger spring setup, so you want to make sure that you're prepared to handle that kind of weight. All that being said, you should just need a pair of winding bars like I've got here. I believe these are ½ inch in diameter. I've got these from Home Depot. I'll put a link in the description as to where you can get yours, as well as the ones I got from Home Depot myself. To start, you want to stay on either the left, you want to stay on either the left of this or the right of this. You want to be directly behind these bars as you're doing this work. Basically what you want to do is put your winding rod into the little socket there, and you can bring it up, put your second bar in, and at this point you should already have a good feeling of how heavy or how strong this spring is. So like I said, keep in mind, if this is something you don't want to tackle, just feel just how strong this is, and at that point either determine whether you want to keep going or whether you should call somebody. But keep in mind, this is very strong spring, so I want you guys to be careful with this. So with that being said, so from here, what you want to do is pick it up an extra quarter turn. You're gonna, once you have it up here, put your second winding bar into that socket, kind of shimmy down here. You can remove this other winding bar and let this come down and rest up against the garage door. So once you feel that resting up against the garage door, you can let go. At this point, because we brought it up an extra quarter turn, we should have loosened this cable quite a bit. This is where all the tension is attached to. So there's a little slot in these drums. So what you want to do is just loosen this cable. You just take it off of the side like that, and just pop it out of that little slot down here. I don't know how well you can see that, but basically you take it out of that little slot and remove it, so you can see how that is right there, and repeat on the other side. So same thing, just come on over, slide the cable off the edge, and so you can see where that's holding on to right there. Just kind of pop that off, wiggle it around until it comes out the side like that. So with both those cables off, you can just go ahead and release the tension at this point. Take your other winding bar, and you're just going to, so again, stand off to the left or to the right side, preferably on the side where there's no spring, just to be safe. Now you take your winding bar, get a hold of this one here, take your second winding bar, and we're just gonna bring this down a quarter turn at a time. So you're gonna lift up, you can release that guy, bring it down nice and slow, and it just rests up against the door like that. Again, grab hold, put your second winding bar, lift up, this one comes out, this one comes down, and just repeat. Just like that. Down at the bottom, we've got no tension. At this point, the spring may still be slightly stretched, so if you do end up needing to unscrew this bolt, so even if you do need to unscrew this bolt here, I'd still say put your bar in and then unscrew these, because this sometimes is a little stretched. So when you unscrew that, it's gonna pop in like that. And again, I have those bars linked down in the description below. And I'll make another video next week on how to put that tension back on. So hopefully this video was helpful again. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in our next one. Have an awesome day.